You know why it's not a good idea to buy designer watches from some random guy you meet on the street? Or buy diamond jewelry from a door-to-door salesman? Or buy sushi from a gas station? Because any buying decision that involves a significant investment or your gastrointestinal health, it's best to deal with competent professionals and not some random stranger. That's why we here at Mathews Brothers only partner with better lumber yards and window professionals. We simply won't put our reputation and your security in the hands of incompetent nincompoops. Besides, it gives the competent nincompoops a bad name. You see, after 164 years and millions of windows, we guard our reputation like Yogi Bear guards a picnic basket, like a fat kid guards a chocolate cake, like Carlos Danger guards his password, or like Mark Zuckerberg guards his privacy. You know, passionately. So look for our wicked awesome Maine-made products, but only at better lumber yards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.